Hi guys, Mary here. And for my STEAM activity, I was looking at the rainforest and a lizard paper sculpture. So what my thought was is how to enhance learning for children on how rainforests and the habitat of lizards would work together to create a lizard sculpture. So this activity focuses on the A, or the art part of STEAM, and students would create a 3D paper sculpture of a lizard that they would find typically in the rainforest. This activity uses problem solving and research and definitely creativity. So, to understand the habitat of lizards and their natural environment of the rainforest, students would be able to view a 360 video called Under the Canopy. And it's on a website called The Wild Classroom, which this website is kind of interesting because it has a lot of different biomes that you're able to research in a 360 and 3D virtual reality fashion. So this video tours a wild forest, and the viewer is actually able to rotate the screen all around to see all different sorts of angles from inside of a rainforest. So I am going to X out of here and take you to that website. And here is the video. It is called Under the Canopy. And what this does is, if you were to fast forward it, you can actually take your cursor and move all around this screen right here to view the habitat, the natural habitat of a rainforest lizard. So you could talk about things like why lizards have adapted the way that they did, and what sort of foods that they eat, and what their natural predators are, and what they would see from the sort of vegetation and everything else that is involved inside of a rainforest. And inside of it, you can see all the different tour guides, and they do a little speech about what they're seeing there. And it's a really neat experience because I don't think many children have a chance to actually go see a rainforest in real time. So that would be my enhancement for a virtual reality biome of a rainforest to learn more about the creation of a 3D paper lizard sculpture. Thank you.